Alright, so here's the color sequence for communication wire on the Infinity or Evolution. Green, yellow, white, red. That follows this. See? Green, yellow, white, red. On the installation manual, you're only going to be using 2 of these leads. You do want to make sure that they're cinched tight and correctly, that there's not the cut themselves are nice and square, no scraggliness. And then what happens is that yellow, that white, and that green come back here where we're going to tie into there. So we're going to use these Wagyus since they're established connectors, very secure. Alright, so I reset each individual connection right there. The green, the yellow, the white. The red is not being employed. Then I put Wago connectors and I respliced the line to have all the leads integrity maintained. For these type of systems, it's very critical to be conscious as you're